We all know the same problem, a wardrobe full of clothes, but somehow nothing feels easy to wear. Even when we try to shop smartly, over time pieces accumulate and suddenly the closet feels overwhelming instead of inspiring. So today's video, I am going to show you my personal wardrobe, Alice in Paris wardrobe, and I am going to show you the 10 things you should absolutely declutter in your wardrobe. I'm going to open my closet. I'm going to show you the method I use, the process I am using to declutter smartly, to shop also better, and to create a new capsule wardrobe that is versatile, elegant, and timeless. So let's start the video. And the second problem we all face when we start to declutter is how to know what you should keep and what you should get rid of. And it is especially difficult for people like me when you have a minimalist small wardrobe, when you don't have any shopping addiction, overspending habit, when you don't have a lot of fast fashion, and when everything in your wardrobe have a purpose, a goal, a value, and when you take care of your clothes. But I found something that really helped me to make this video actually, and I really enjoy using this app. It's called Dressly. And Dressly is an app, so you can download the app on your phone. It's an app designed to help you to understand and analyze your style and your wardrobe, and also to build a versatile and smart capsule wardrobe. So if you don't know how to declutter, you can start also using this little app that really helped me to understand my wardrobe, what I should get rid of, what I should buy, and what also I should not buy. So this is really something that is super helpful. So the app works in a few steps and it's super easy. First, you just have to create your personal style profile. You usually start with a selfie, a personal information. So Dressly can analyze your appearance, your color type, your body shape, and style preference. The goal is to give you advice that feels super personalized. Next, you have to upload a selfie, and Dressly helps you to identify the colors that suit your complexion. In fact, you do have a color analysis, which I find super helpful, especially when you declutter and you want also to refresh your wardrobe. And then you follow with a 4-week capsule wardrobe, where each day you have small fashion tasks to complete, where you can also evaluate your wardrobe. I really appreciate the evaluation, and also the app can also suggest you different outfits. For example, it is super intuitive, very playful. I absolutely enjoy this app when I wanted to make this video. So now let's start to declutter. And the first thing you should get rid of in your wardrobe are pieces not worn in 1 year. If you don't know how to declutter, you should absolutely start here, because a piece that has not been worn in at least over 1 year needs to be questioned. And in most cases, there is a real disconnection. First, it might be the fit that does not suit you anymore. Maybe you gain weight, or maybe your body has changed. Second, maybe the color. The color is not flattering. You just realize that it's not something that really suits you or flatter your complexion, and you made a mistake. Or maybe it does not fit your current lifestyle. So this is really the pieces you should get rid of, and you should question this piece. And to help me to identify the pieces I was not able to wear, I use the app, I use Dressly app. In one of the 4-week plans, there is a little task called Edit Your Wardrobe. And they ask you to identify in your closet 3 pieces that does not match your current lifestyle. So let's start with these 3 pieces that I've not worn for at least 1 year. First one is this gorgeous dress, high quality. I love the vibe, the design. It gives Audrey Hepburn Breakfast at Tiffany's vibe. I love it. Unfortunately, I don't have one single occasion to wear this one. Here in Paris, the style is very casual chic, super effortless, slightly underdressed if you go out, even in restaurants, party, cocktail, whatever. It's very slightly underdressed. So I don't have any occasion, and this one has been sitting in my wardrobe for at least 2 years. 2 years. So it's time, I think, to get rid of. The next piece also, this tweed jacket. I love this one. Unfortunately, same thing. It has been sitting in my wardrobe for at least 2 years. I think I was not able to wear this one in at least 1 year. The only thing is the color. It's not that versatile. This type of color goes well with white denim, only white, not even black, and it's not that versatile. Also, the fit is slightly too tight in my opinion, too cropped, too tight. So it is sitting in my wardrobe, and as you can see, I do have a lack of space, especially in the blazer part. So I'm going also to get rid of and sell this one. And the next pieces you should declutter in your wardrobe are worn-out basics. Worn-out basics are the first thing you should declutter in your wardrobe because they are the foundation of a wardrobe. A basic t-shirt, a knit, a blazer, a trouser should make getting dressed easier and more polished. In my case, it's mostly the leggings, the t-shirt, for example, and maybe the jeans, but mostly the leggings. I only wear leggings here in Paris when I go to the gym, not really for errands, but I tend to accumulate a lot of leggings, and over time, they get worn out a lot. So for example, this one has really lost a little bit of its shape, and the fabric is slightly very stretched, I will say. This one has over 8 years. This is an 8 years legging and definitely needs to go away. I have also this t-shirt, which unfortunately gets stained, and I'm not able to remove the stain, so this one is worn out. I have this top, which is also 8 years old. I mean, it is crazy how much you can accumulate over years, and this one is a bit, the fabric, as you can see, slightly peel-off. You do have some kind of peel-off here. It's not a good quality top, and so à la poubelle. Another one, this one is not worn out. It's mostly, it is slightly worn out here, but it's really the shape. This one is way too open. I'm not able to wear this one during summer, so I decided to get rid of this one also. And the next thing you should declutter in your wardrobe are duplicates or duplicate of the wrong piece. Duplicates can create a lot of clutter in your wardrobe without making it more functional. Many times we own several versions of the same item, and most of the time it's blazers and jeans, but only 1 or 2 are actually worn regularly. For this one, I also use Dressly app. With the app, you're able to scan and upload each items from your wardrobe, so you can organize your whole closet inside the app. You can see more clearly, and you are also able to identify those duplicates, those repetition. For example, if several items have the same purpose but they never appear in one of my outfits, or if I keep choosing the same version over the others, it becomes very clear which duplicate I should get rid of and which one I should keep. Another duplicate, this one is a great example. They are both from Guilia. I love them, but same thing. They are very similar. The pattern is exactly the same. So I need to choose between the two, and I do wear this one often. I was able to wear this one actually. I love to wear this one with a short, for example. I do have the matching short and the matching skirt actually. And I did not wear this one over the last year. Not a single time, so I'm going to get rid of this one. The next thing you should declutter in your wardrobe are poorly fitted jeans. Poorly fitted jeans are one of the most important things to declutter because they are the foundation of any wardrobe. And if jeans are too tight, too loose, too cropped, too short, or even too stiff, you should get rid of them. And in my case, I do have also poorly fitted jeans. Okay, this one from Maison 1, 2, 3. Okay. I love this one. Unfortunately, it is too loose, too stretched, and slightly also too short here, but I think it's mostly here. It's way too loose for me. So unfortunately, I didn't wear this one for at least 2 years now. So I need to get rid of this one. Another one I'm going to declutter is this one from Zara. This is another cropped tight jean, but unfortunately it is too tight for me. It is size 2. And I think I would be more comfortable in size 4, 36. And also, after many washes, this is the case for many of my white denim. I don't know if it's also your case, but after many washes, they get even tighter. I think it's the fabric. So I need to get rid of this one. And I am not so fan of this, the M line like this. So, allez, declutter. And the next thing you should declutter from your wardrobe are fast fashion pieces. Cheap fast fashion pieces are very easy to accumulate because they are very accessible, but they can weaken the quality and the overall look of your wardrobe. Another thing, they might look super trendy, but the quality of the fabric make them worn out very quickly and very easily, especially after a few washes. In my wardrobe, I don't own a lot of fast fashion. I'm not a fan of fast fashion, but I do buy time to time from H&M or Zara when I want a very specific item, very designer inspired, and when it's too expensive, sold out, or not accessible. And the only mistake I made a few months ago is to buy this very cheap fast fashion low quality sweater in this brown chocolate color. At that time, I was not able to find this sweater in this very specific color. Everything was sold out, so too expensive for wool or cashmere. And I decided to buy these, but unfortunately, they are stuck in my wardrobe. I did not wear them. I don't like the fabric. It's too stretchy. It's not wool. It's not cashmere. As you can see also, it's kind of already peel off. I mean, I don't like them. So I am going to get rid of this. And the next thing you should declutter in your wardrobe are wrong color pieces. Wrong color pieces are often the items that we keep in your wardrobe but rarely wear because something always slightly feels off. The cut might be perfect. The fabric is fine and even the design is absolutely good, but the color does not flatter your complexion, feels very difficult to style, or does not match with the rest of your wardrobe. For this one, this is where Dressy Color Analysis was super helpful. You do have a color analysis, a color guidance with the app. You just have to upload a selfie, answer a few questions, and you get your color type. In my case, I am a warm autumn, which is absolutely right. And the app is able to give me the colors that flatter my complexion and the ones I should absolutely avoid in my wardrobe. Following what Dressy is suggesting me, I'm going to get rid of a very cool undertone, like this one, for example. I absolutely love the cut and the design, and the color is absolutely gorgeous, but unfortunately, it does not flatter my complexion, and I have the exact same shirt, but in another type of color actually, which is very warm, slightly brick and orangey, and I absolutely love this shirt. So I don't want to keep this exact same duplicate in this type of color actually, that does not flatter my complexion. So I'm going to get rid of this one. And once the decluttering is done, the goal is not to refill the wardrobe immediately. The goal instead is more to rebuild the wardrobe with pieces that truly work for you and not to make the same mistake. And this is why the app Dressy was extremely helpful in the process. As a virtual assistant, Dressy is able to identify which type of pieces I should add in my wardrobe and if these pieces really suit my style, my lifestyle, and my body shape. And one of my favorite features from the app is the virtual try-on tool, which is so helpful. So with this one, instead of guessing if something really suits you or not, which is not easy when you are buying online, with this little tool, you are able to see if something you really love suits your body shape, suits your style. It is so easy to use. For example, if I am considering to buy new elevated basics, especially jeans, because I just declutter a few jeans, blazer or any, for example, top, a t-shirt, with the virtual try-on haul, I am able to see exactly if something suits me or not in real time, in real life. Another feature from the app, which is super helpful when you want to rebuild your capsule wardrobe, is the outfit combination. With the outfit combination, the app is able to generate different outfits for different moments, workwear, for example, walking or casual day. And with a virtual try-on haul, you are able to try this outfit combination. For example, if I love this kind of dress, I will be able to see if the outfit combination suits me or not. I found it super helpful and very impressive because it is super realistic, believe me. And another feature of the app is also the fact that for each combination, each outfit combination, you are able also to see the brand. So they tag the brand and they tag also the shops you are able to purchase online. For example, for this one exactly, I really love this outfit combination. I was able to see the outfit detail and the link. They give you the link so you can purchase online, you can check the brand, you can check the shop. I found it super practical, super versatile. You are not losing your time actually. And this is a great tool if you want to rebuild your wardrobe, if you want to make sure that everything suits you perfectly, everything also will match also your wardrobe, because you can also upload the wardrobe through the app. And that's it for today. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know if you have any suggestion. Do not forget to check below the video for all the links and the app from Dressly. This is a great tool if you are decluttering. I needed a big declutter in this wardrobe. It's not done yet. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you very soon for another one. Bye.